Let's talk about slow motion. One of the coolest tricks in video to add drama or just make things look awesome. Now, when it comes to slow motion, you've got options like 60 frames per second, 120, and 240 frames per second. 60 frames per second is great because it's the only one that gives you 4K resolution. So if you want that crisp, cinematic quality and slow motion at the same time, 60 frames per second is the option for you. 120 and 240 frames per second are where things get extra smooth. You can slow things down even more, but you'll be working only with HD, not 4K. Pro tip, use slow motion for short clips. You don't need to shoot your whole video in slow motion, just like the key moments. Most camera or editing apps let you choose which part you can slow things down, so you can film at a higher frame rate. Then later, you decide when to activate the slow motion part. Follow for more tips and tricks. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.